Thutha wa mathibitari makiria ma 1,000 kuhingwo magikuruhanio na kungumia kigina kia mubango wa urigitani wa SHA, riu President William RUTO augite matikurugamira haha.
We also have
Akiaria ari thingiraini wa iregi kuria egucemanitie na atongoria na aikari a Kiambu, RUTO augite ene mathibitari maya no nginyagia macokie mbeca iria matumiirwo na mathitango ni kungumia kigina kia MUINGI, akiuga no nginyagia SHA irute wira.
We are also going to make sure that they refund the money if ever they have been paid. And thirdly, we are going to prosecute them because it is criminal to steal money meant for patients. It is criminal to steal public resources using whatever means. So, watch this space. SHA is going to work because we are going to eliminate fraud.
RUTO ni ahinyiriirie ati mogaruruku maria marathie na mbere sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri matanyitwo gutigirira muingi ni wamukira motungata ma gikiro kia iguru. Maya magithiaga na mbere anyiti itemi matiganite na thunduri sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri a guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi ni matabanetie kigomano gia gatatu kwaririria ciigie kugacirithia sekta ya ugima wa mwiri kuria moritie thirikari kuigithia kuria thunduri sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri.
Donor funding is freezing, starting with USAID and others. That means that things are getting tighter and you'll need locally made affordable solutions, both in medtech, that is hardware, and also health tech, the digital solutions. There's a return on investment to be made. First of all, in terms of impact, the number of lives we can save with the locally made medical devices. There are so many hospitals that don't have equipment.
We knew that we needed a solution that is cost effective, that is affordable, that is reusable and very portable while being very easy to use.
Dagitari Ayub Manya kuma Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri akiuga thengia wa bururi wa Kenya gukorwo ukirororia mabururi mangi marahuthira technology kugacirithia sekta ya ugima wa mwiri ti maundu mothe magikofia.
Copy paste sometimes doesn't fit in the space you are pasting. So we must also be careful about our space to be able to modify it well to receive some of these technologies that are in another country. So we don't just blindly copy what is in America and bring it here.
Jeremiah Goodluck ni umwe wa Mukenya uria thundurite mutambo wa guteithiriria arwaru na makiria a higo undu mangihota gwitia dagitari magathurimwo na kurigitirwo mucii. Guku nake Alice Muhoho ari mutaratara-ini wa guthundura mashini ya kurigita thina wa goro.
Our technology is able to conduct a liver function test, that is knowing how your liver is, a kidney functionality. We're also looking at, remember, many people who have developed kidney failure is because they've been having this problem for a very long time.
Kenya right now has at any one time 30 to 40 actively practicing cardiologists, and if you compare this with Europe has 800 cardiologists per country on average. So the lack of specialists and the lack of specific and sensitive diagnostic tools for cardiology is one of the biggest challenges that we're solving.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muirore.